Have you noticed when the coffee machine used for a long time, it will have a heavy name scale on it? So, how could we do? Don't worry, let's turn this hard case to Mr.Strong. Here is the product what I want to recommend you. Mr.Strong coffee machine display tablet. When you put the tablet into the machine, it will quickly dissolve and break down a variety of chemical active substances to remove name scale on the inside and the surface of the machine. Now, let's see Mr.Strong coffee machine tablet excellent working achievement. From the conversion chart, we can see that after using our product, the cups with serious name scale were removed by Mr.Strong tablet, and the cup looks completely new. So, how to use the tablet? Fill the reservoir with water. Drop one tablet into reservoir. Run one brew cycle or clean cycle into brew pot. Discard water from brew pot. Fill reservoir with fresh water. Run one brew cycle and then discard to rinse coffee maker. Now, let's see the feature of our tablet. All materials are food grade, non-toxic, environmental, no phosphate, eco-friendly, no optical brightener, safe to human. Quick dissolve in both cold water around 15 minutes and warm water 40 degrees centigrade around 10 minutes. Bigger and heavier but quicker dissolved. 2 times clean powder than normal benchmarks with special added anionic surfactant. Use aluminum sachet to keep oxygen agent and exposure from dispersion. Ensure product stronger, clean, and antibacterial. Prevent removed dirties. Deposit again while clean. And of course, our tablets are suitable for all brands and model coffee machine. We also have many different tablet size and packing for your choice. Then, why choose us? Because we have professional product knowledge, experienced market knowledge, advanced R&D ability, best manufacturing unit arrangement, on-spot supervision, best transportation recommendation, professional documentaries operation.
YNR. Live for better.